Hey Max, do you like your first big snowstorm? Is it a little too deep? I'm right here, bud. Come here. You ready? Uh-huh. Where's Kenzie? Huh? Is she hiding? What are the dogs doing? There's Kenzie. That snow is deep, isn't it? Yay!
Okay. This might be a good time for a nap.
Oh, Madden's out.
Hey, will you take me in my bush?
What?
Will you take me in my bush?
You in your in your bush.
In my bush. And now you'll see me go to my secret hideout. Hello. There's the exit. And that is the grand tour of my secret hideout. Well, it was secret. So now. Hi. Max, get snow in your hand. No, Max, go like this. Scoop up some snow.